Hooking your viewers in can be so hard. So here's 3 tips to help you hook your viewers in. Make your thumbnail come off your title before you make a video. This is because your title and your thumbnail make a promise to the viewer. If you make the title and thumbnail second, then your video hook is basically weak. Tip 2. Use B-roll to emphasize your points, so don't tell. B-roll is when you put video footage over your main video footage. So if I put an image over this right now, that'll be B-roll. You can find videos and images on Pexels and Pixabay. Before I get to tip number 3, if you find this video helpful so far, I would appreciate if you smash the like button. Alright, number 3 is to script your videos. Scripting your videos can help you save time editing your videos and keep your videos on track, meaning you don't take extra time to say extra words you edit out anyways. If you'd like to see 3 editing mistakes that you're making right now, go ahead and watch the video on the screen now, and I'll see you on that video.